Here comes those beautiful cottons embroidered with fusing. I'll explain what fusings are. That's a beautiful cotton sari, completely jamdani weaving all throughout, and machine embroidered, hand woven and machine embroidered with nice pom poms at the edging, costing 2,650. I'll just explain you from sari number one. There are 7 saris. Links will be provided for each sari so that you can just click on the link and hassle-free shipping and shopping can happen. Okay, let's go in for sari number one. About fusing, when I'm going to talk, it's a beautiful pink color sari. Yeah, that opens up to be this. Look at that. 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 That's so beautiful. Paisleys all throughout. Double-sided embroidery. One side for, wow, embroideries and weavings or the same color combination. See, these are embroideries. These are completely woven. The transparency, these are artificial mirrors. That's the transparency part of this cotton sari. And I just wanted to show you the this part, this the use kind of a this is called the fusing, where only the embroidery can happen only with this will go off with the first wash. Okay, so that this beauty can be achieved with this. So without this it cannot be achieved. When you put this in water after 2-3 uses, this will start coming out and only the embroidery will be there left out, so that it looks even amazing. So this cannot be, that is a paper like thing, that's called, the process is called fusing. The blouse is a nice running blouse with that's the blouse for the sari. This is this transparent, the other part is completely woven and embroidered, so it becomes thick. So sari number one, look at the temple of the top on the both sides, is very beautiful. Temple weaving is beautiful. It looks as though it's been printed, but it's very beautifully woven. Nice color. Sari number one. As I told you, without fusing, embroidery cannot happen. The fusing will be washed out with your first wash, and only the embroidery will be there. It will be amazing. So then this is sari number 2, 2650, yellow color, yellow and pink. So all the saris will have the fusing process done, that the paper like thing behind, which makes it very classy, and that will, because without that like that thickness of that paper kind of thing, embroidery cannot happen, machine embroidery cannot happen. So that's the blouse, yellow running blouse. A contrast pink blouse will look amazing. Those mirrors are mirror replicas, not the original ones. These are weavings. Yellow, green and white are the flowers embroidered on machine. This part is completely grand weaving, double side border on the top. It's a classic collection, as I said. Like all when I choose something, I look into a lot of people's requirement. That way, this is also very beautiful collection. Yellow color, beautiful yellow, and a pink blouse will definitely look amazing. Kind of a muslin cotton type. But that's sari number 3. Wow, nice color. Black is always very attractive with those color combinations. And that's sari number 2. Oh wow, 3. Pink and black combination. Look at that, yeah. So beautiful. This paisley is coming up, highlighting. That's the fusing part. Again, say you, for this reason, this without that, this cannot happen. Blouse black running. So that will come out once you wash after your 2-3 uses. You don't need to use anything immediately. After 3 or 4 uses, it will come out. After that, only the embroidery and the base of the sari is there with you. It will obviously look very beautiful. So that reason we are now going to take an exchange, because I very clearly told it will come with fusing, and that will be removed after your first wash. You might have to take little bit effort to remove it once for the first time before putting into wash or after wash. So that's sari number 4 for you. 4, right? Red, the red beauty, nice blood red combination. This is with multiple color temple over here in the base, and in between there is a border that's been beautifully embroidered. Fusing has happened, as I told you. The embroidery cannot happen without those materials stuck at the back, and that is a very thin material, a paper replica, which will come out with your first wash. So that's sari number 4. Red color, a red running blouse is there. You can use a green color contrast blouse, because the piping over here is in green, so you can use a green blouse or a blue blouse, or whichever way you feel like working on that. Okay, now the sari number 5. Light yellowish cream. This is very beautiful sari. Same 2650. Sari number 5, right? Sari number 5, running plain blouse, yellow color. You can use it. You can use a pink color blouse or any of those colors. So much of colors have been thrown and made so colorful about this. So you can use any of those. Yeah, that's sari number 5 for you. Sari number 6. Nice bright yellow this is. That is a kind of a bolder yellow than the sari number 4 for you. That is sari number 4 for you. 6 for you. Beautiful. Yeah. Turn around sari ulta ide. Nice turquoise paisley is over the pallu. Along with that embroidery has happened. Beautiful sari 2750. Running blouse, it's cotton yellow. The whole sari has got those butta weavings all throughout. So it's an amazing sari by itself. You will love wearing them. Beautiful, yeah, very beautiful ones. Now comes sari number 7, black again, black and grey combination. No, it's actually because of fusing it with the grey, otherwise it's completely black. We had one more black alva. Black ali, there was one other different embroidery on the pallu over there. Black and pink. This is black and red combination. Both the blacks are always beautiful. Very beautiful sari this is. That's a black color blouse in cotton. And using that 2650 links will be provided for you to buy them. Once you click on the link, it will take you to the various payment options available, and you can click them and buy them. But as I told you, this is the set of 7 sarees that we have got. Multiple pieces will be available according to the availability. The link will allow you to buy the products. If the link says out of stock, that means the saree has been booked by somebody else, and error means we have blocked it personally for somebody else whom we know already. So that's the process of the saree buying. Hope I was a bit fast today. I will go down, and before closing the video, I definitely would like to inform you about the fusing part. This back portion, that white color paper like thing is very, very mandatory. This will come off once with your wash. You can wash the saree after 3 times or 4 times wearing, and when you wash, you can when the paper or paper like replica comes out, it's a cloth and paper kind of replica, that is, which has been stuck on base iron, and then embroidery starts. The machine can run on the embroidery because such thick embroidery cannot happen on such soft clothes, so they use a base material. This process is called fusing, and the fusing will be removed of any of the products, even your salwars, or you can just check with anything with so much of heavy embroidery, machine embroidery precisely will have fusing. So hope you like the collection. Happy shopping. We'll be coming up with interesting collection throughout the day. Stay